Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create geometric shape effect using Canva. Right now as you can see we are into Canva and we have just selected a blank image template. Now what we are going to do is we are going to the elements, and here in the elements we are just searching for mountains, or you can search for volcano, right? Okay, and we are into volcano images, and here you can simply select any volcano image, right? Whatever the image you like the most, you can simply select it. For example, I am just selecting this one image, right? And we are going to click on this triple dot, survive a volcano, use some mountain. Okay, no issues. We are into elements, and here we are going to search for mountains, and we have selected simply this image. Sir, how you can create this mirror effect, right? This water reflection effect, you can see my playlist, I have already taught, right? So first of all we will set this image as background. It's done. Right now what we are going to do is we are going to select this image, click on edit image. We are going to edit this, so we are going to click on adjust, and here you can simply decrease the shadow, increase the contrast, decrease the brightness, right? As per your requirement you can do that. You can increase shadow more if required, right? Or you can decrease that. And in the blacks I'm going to increase this. Contrast I'm going to reduce little bit. You can also edit the colors, right? Saturation I'm going to reduce. Okay, it's done. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to go back to the elements, and here we will simply search for frame, right? frame frame, and we are going back from the photos, and here we will simply select whatever the frame you like. So I'm selecting this one. Okay, this frame is looking nice. Now what we are going to do is we are going to duplicate this. Okay, we are going to move this further, and here this also further. Now what we are going to do is we are going to search for background, going out of the frames, and here we have some good backgrounds, right? We can select any of the background which matches the color theme, right? For example, I'm just taking background of dark color. Whatever the background you like the most, you can simply select that. For example, let me select this one and use this one, or you can select light background as well, right? Depending upon the requirement. Let us select this one and see. This one is looking nice, right? So we are going back to the photos, and here we can simply select this image again, and we can add it over here in the third frame, right? Now we are going to search for a woman image. Sir, why always woman? Okay, woman travel and with camera, right? Let's select this one, and then we are going to drop it over here. We are going to increase the size, put it over here. It's looking nice, right? We can put it over here. Now what we are going to do is we are going to bring this in front, layer, bring to front. Okay, now what we can do is we can simply do this like that, and here we are searching for square line. Let's see in the graphics. So it is looking nice. Yeah, that's absolutely looking nice. We are going to change the color to white, and we are going to use another frame. I am deleting this one as of now. We are going to select this. No, this is also not good. Let me search for square box. And here we can select any good box. This one was nice, but okay, color is getting changed. Now what we are going to do is we are going to rotate this as per our image. In elements, we are going to search for lines. There are some pretty good lines available, and we are going to change the color to white, right? And here you can do like this, and then duplicate like this, and here again like this. And then you can simply click on shift and select all these three lines, group, and you can send it backward, again backward, and backward. That's it. Now what you can do is you can also add stroke to them of white color. You can add stroke of white color, right? And if you think you need to edit this background image, you can edit it again. Let's do temperature, contrast to be reduced, okay, blacks to be reduced, right? And saturation you can increase as per your requirement. So this is how you can simply create a geometric shape effect in Canva. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.